Hello everyone. Our project is E1575. Share the data in Expertiza to a remote server via PRML format. In simple terms, what we are trying to do is to extract specific data from Expertiza database, transform it, and load it to the destination database in a standard format, which is PRML. PRML stands for Peer Review Markup Language. We have chosen an ETL tool for executing this project. That is Pentaho's data integration tool, also known as Schedule. This environment provides a GUI for ETL jobs called Spoon, which you can now see on the screen. Now, what is this ETL which I have been talking about all this while? ETL is an acronym for extraction, transformation, and loading. There are essentially three types of loading. One is initial load, second is partial load, third is full load. Initial load is where we load the database for the first time. Partial load is where you put the new and modified records from the source table, insert or update it to the destination table. Third is the full loading, where first we delete all the records in the destination table and then load the records from source to the destination. Let me show it to you with an example. So here is our database table, PRML courses. There is nothing on this database table for now. I'll go to Pentaho and I'll run this transformation and load the data from Expertiza courses to PRML course. 130 records have now been put into the table PRML courses. So this was the first type of transformation, which is the initial transformation. Initial loading. Then we come to this table. If you look at this table right now, it has data. I'm showing you an example of full load. We'll now go to Pentaho, delete all the records from PRML assignment. And when you delete it, there should be no data in the in the PRML assignment. We will then load the PRML assignment, and 534 entries have now been put from Expertiza assignment to the PRML assignment table. As you can see on the screen, there are all the records. Let me show you an example of partial loading. So look at this table first. PRML modified timestamp table. Uh, you must concentrate on the first tuple. The value of ID1 is value 6, and so is in the Expertiza development schema. The moment I run this, I change the value in the Expertiza development modified stamp table. But this obviously hasn't been changed here. I'll go to Pentaho now and run this transformation. As you can see, only one data has been updated here. And when we go to the SQL server, we will see the changes in the new table as expected. So we have defined transformations for all the individual tables in the destination database, and all these transformations are integrated in sequential order to form a job. As you can see, here we'll delete all the records from the PRML course table. We're loading the PRML course table. Then we're deleting records from PRML assignment. Then we're loading them into PRML assignment. And all the 14 tables in Expertiza, the thing has been sequentially scheduled. All you have to do here is whenever there's a change in the Expertiza database, you just have to run this button, run this job, and one by one, all the 14 tables will be updated, and the database from Expertiza will be migrated to PRML.